Hi, today we're looking into Supervisor Evaluation Form. This is a simple evaluation form that is designed to streamline the process of conducting performance evaluations for employees. So basically, you can see there are certain fields and information over here which needs to be filled in to understand more about this process. So once all these informations are filled in, what we're going to do is we will just go to the responses side and we can see that the response will be captured over here once everything is filled in from start to end. Okay. So how exactly does it work? Just go to the form builder, click on share form, click on copy form link, and then expose this link to the particular person who is going to fill out. Okay. So let us wait as it is loading up and then we'll start filling in the fields. So as you can see, it's a very long form. So what I'll do is I'll just fill out some of the fields of the form and then I will show you how exactly it works. Okay. So I'll just put some information in some of the fields. You can obviously fill out all the fields as per your choice. I will just randomly fill in some of the stuff. Okay. Okay. So I'll stop filling out after this. What you can do is once you fill in everything, just click on submit and you can see the response has now been submitted. You can obviously mark certain fields as mandatory and certain fields are not mandatory. Since nothing is marked as mandatory, so I was able to fill in. You can obviously make the changes as per your choice. Everything is editable and customizable as per your needs. This is just a sample template file for use case. So as we filled out this form, the response will be captured over here under the responses view. As you can see, a new response has come up, and you can obviously track all the submissions over here. I also want to talk about a new tool that is PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It exercises the use of a Notion page, which acts as the source template file where the document is defined. And you also need a Notion database, which has the contents of the page that would be replaced to generate documents in bulk. You can watch a video of invoices at the bottom and understand how exactly this flow works. And if you want to reach out to me, you can contact me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I will be able to help you and assist you with any queries. So please do check out PDF Output for your use case. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.